Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Permanent hair thickening. Techniques to thicken hair enduringly. Using apple cider vinegar. Onion juice. Using eggs. Applying aloe vera. Olive oil. Rosemary oil. Lifestyle that helps maintain your thick hair. Nutritious diet. Shield your hair from natural harm. Calm your pressure. Absence of copper. Absence of manganese. Bottom line.
Let's help you make your mark.
Coconut oil 2 tablespoons, vitamin E oil 2 tablespoons, tea tree oil 2 tablespoons, castor oil 2 tablespoons. Apply to hair for 30 minutes daily. Grow your hair 3 to 5 inches a week. Coconut oil 2 tablespoons, vitamin E oil 2 tablespoons, tea tree oil 2 tablespoons, castor oil 2 tablespoons. Apply to hair for 30 minutes daily.
Let's help you make your mark.
In addition, your body needs vitamin C to create a protein known as collagen, an important part of hair structure. Vitamin C also helps your body absorb iron, a mineral necessary for hair growth. Strawberries, peppers, guavas and citrus fruits are all good sources of vitamin C.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.